Sana we're here in the Ruby project right now and meron kasi akong kaibigan na nanalo ng 1,000 gift certificates. Well, 5,000. 5,000 siya total. You know, before I've always thought Ruby project is just all about yung mga sunglasses. Apparently, they have other items as well, not just sunglasses. So, tara, let's spend this 5,000 pesos. Actually, sasama lang pala ako. So, let's see what will be bought with this 5,000 pesos. Let's go! Tada! So, as usual, ito na nga yung mga Rudy Project items, no? Meron siyang mga sunglasses. But, hindi lang pala sunglasses because they also have yung mga t-shirts and other mga sports equipments. This dry bag is 2,490. Then, ito namang backpack is at 7,490. Pero guys, this one, 17,590 tong glasses. Kasi, yung lens daw niya is nag-change. Look at this. This t-shirt naman is at 2,990 pesos. Meron siyang lalagyan ng mga gamit sa likod. I think these are for bikers. Or yung mga nagtatriathlon. This Star Wars shirt is at 1,490. So, si friend let me try out this shorts na may loob na siya, inner lining, for 1,890. Maybe friend will share to me yung gift certificate niya na 5,000 worth, no? So, yun. I'm going to try out different sizes of these. Ganda naman siya. Shorts. Yung pocket niya from here, nandito siya sa loob. Wow, it's really for running and kung magbabicycle ka. I feel it looks good. So the verdict is here. Si friend, ang binili niya are these socks. 350 pesos. And then yung other item na binili din for the 5,000 GC are two of this 1,890 pesos na shorts. So, ito naman yung other one na bibilhin din. 990 pesos. I think this one is a good shirt. Yeah. Wow, guys, take a look at this. Yung mga packaging niya. Sobrang bongga sa Rudy Project. Take a look. Shorts lang to, pero ang ganda ng packaging. Fairness. The verdict is in for 5,000 pesos. Ang nakuha is tatlo nitong socks for 350 each. And then tatlo of these clothes. So meron clothes na 2 shorts for 1,800 plus each. And this t-shirt for 990. Tada! Ayan, for 5,000 pesos, ito yung mga nagastos. We just finished our Ruby project haul and medyo maraming din pa rin mga na-purchase. And naka-freebie ako ng isang short. So thank you, friend, for giving me this opportunity to get my short. And this is all the 5,000 in certificate na freebie na spend namin dito sa Ruby project. Thank you!